In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your website building experience. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Wix offers a versatile platform that makes it easy to create stylish professional websites. Now, let's dive into the process, step by step, to ensure you have a seamless experience. First, we're going to start by navigating to wix.com. Open your preferred browser and type in the URL to bring up the Wix homepage. This is your central hub for managing your website projects. If you haven't done so already, ensure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This dashboard is the command center for all of your projects, and it's from here that you'll access various tools and options to manage your sites. Next up, we're going to delve into editor.wix.com, which is where the creative magic happens. Once you've opened the editor, your next move is to locate and click on Add Elements within the interface. This section is your gateway to a host of design tools that you can integrate into your website. The Add Elements feature lets you add photos, videos, text, and so much more, allowing you to bring your creative ideas to life seamlessly. With these tools, you have the freedom to design without restrictions, creating a unique web presence that stands out. Now, after clicking on Add Elements, your next step is to select Text. The text element is crucial as it allows you to include important information and engaging content on your site. Inserting text is straightforward. Just drag and drop it into your desired location on the page. Make sure to tailor the text style to match your overall website aesthetic for consistency. Continuing with our project, find and click on Collapsible Text. This innovative feature can enhance your website's interactivity. Collapsible text sections allow you to organize and present information without overwhelming your visitors, keeping your pages tidy and easy to navigate. Use this feature for FAQs, detailed product descriptions, or any content where you want to give users control over what they wish to read. Next, it's time to click on Template. Selecting a template can significantly influence the look and feel of your site. Wix offers a variety of design options to choose from, catering to different industries and styles. Pick one that aligns with your brand identity and don't be afraid to make it your own by customizing it to fit your vision. Finally, once you're satisfied with the adjustments and additions, it's crucial to save your work. Click on Save. This step ensures that all your hard work is securely stored and easily retrievable. Remember to save regularly to avoid losing any changes. And there you have it, a step-by-step walkthrough on managing and editing with Wix tools. With practice, navigating these features will become second nature, allowing you to build and maintain your site with ease. Happy creating!